Baby, do you want milk?
Imagine how it would feel if you could communicate with your baby months before they begin talking.
Yay!
Your 10-month-old can tell you that she is sleepy. Your 8-month-old can ask for milk when he's hungry. Signing accelerates the learning process and facilitates better communication all around. I will show you how you can get started with baby sign language in as little as a few minutes a day. Signing is such a powerful tool.
Good job!
Even just a few key signs can transform your early interactions with your baby. Now let's get started.